This is how you calculate quarter over quarter and year over year from your dataset table. The first thing to do is to insert a pivot table. Place your cursor anywhere on your dataset table like this and press Ctrl-A to highlight your dataset table. Next, select Insert on the ribbon, Pivot Table. When this pop-up comes up, select Existing Worksheet. Click on this icon here and select the location where you want to insert your pivot table. After that, press Enter twice like this, and just like that, your pivot table is ready to be set up. Now, on the rows section, you're going to insert year and quarter, and on the values, you're going to insert purchases 3 times like this. The reason for doing that is because the first purchases will be your actual sum for the purchases itself. The second purchases column, or sum of purchases, 2 will be for quarter over quarter, and the third sum of purchases, 3 will be for year over year. Let's close this pivot table field. Now, right-click anywhere on the sum of purchases number 2 like this. A context menu should appear, and in here you're going to say Show Value As, and then expand that and select % difference from. Once you do that, a pop-up window will come up to say Show Value As. In here, since this column is going to be for quarter over quarter, we're going to select base field as quarter, and the base item we're going to select as previous, and click on OK. Now you can see this is quarter over quarter calculation. Let's change this header to quarter over quarter so it's more intuitive, and then let's align this to be center, and then make it a bit smaller in width. We're going to do the same thing here, change the header to year over year, and then align this to be center, and then change the width of that column. Now for the year over year column, we repeat same as we did for Q over Q. Right-click any of the sum of purchases number 3, and then go to Show Value As % difference from, and this pop-up comes up. Since again this is going to be year over year, we're going to change this to year, and this is going to be previous. Click on OK. And there you have it.